irrational numbers, the interior and the closure of G are denoted by G degree, or this is a notation. It is not degree, it is slightly circle on upper script, and G bar, which is for closure of G respectively. Then which one option is true? Means we have to identify closure and interior of G. G is the set of irrational number. So first, we should know about what is irrational number, like root 2. These are some examples very commonly known. Root 4, these are some irrational number. And in terms of decimal expansion, we can say that decimal expansion never end and never repeated. Then that number also is irrational number. So if p is a prime, then square root of p will be a irrational number. So now find interior and closure of G. Interior point is, if we take a ball around a point, ball structure is not like a ball as we see in cricket ball or other, not a sphere type. Means it can have any boundary, not a circular boundary. So if we take a ball with center is suppose x is completely in the set, then this point x is known as interior point. So we have to find interior points of G. So if we choose any point, suppose I am choosing root 2. Root 2 is on number line. So this is the value of root 2 and I can make a ball around it. Then this is an interval on R. This is an interval on R, and we know that an interval in R contains rational and irrational. So in this interval, there are many rational and irrational. So this set not completely going in G. So G interior is empty. Interior of G is empty set, and closure. What is closure? So find all limit points of G. A G set is set of irrational number. So either you can take neighborhood or each neighborhood of a point. Suppose you are taking either rational or irrational on R, then each neighborhood of root 2, for example, root 2 is in G. Sorry, each neighborhood of root 2 contains many numbers of G, many numbers or members of G, means irrational number. So closure of G is complete R, or you can remember this point. Limit points of set of irrational number is R, means completely real line. So which one option is correct? So interior of G is phi and closure of G is R. So option C is correct.